Hi there, Karl Baker here with Baker CFO Advisory. Just wanted to talk today in our ongoing series about case studies and client work, etc. Wanted to give some examples of conversations I have all the time with companies. They tend to be growing businesses. They're having challenges with their business, whether it is putting systems into play, keeping up with collections, whatever the issues are with their growing business. They're tending to have ongoing challenges and they're wishing they had some help. These clients or these organizations have tended historically to rely on their tax accountants because that's what we do naturally as a startup enterprise. Go to our tax accountants and we ask for help from them, various things, getting the LLC set up, a few questions about bookkeeping, etc. But as the organization grows and the challenges grow, the business owner continues to rely on their tax accountants for help, and that help is not coming in the level that they're hoping for, and then there ends up being frustration. I hear about that all the time. I hear those kind of conversations. I've had multiple conversations in the past several weeks about those scenarios. They're not getting the financial support they're needing. They're not getting the financial statements they're needing. They're not getting the planning and analysis they're needing. And much of it is because those issues aren't necessarily tax accountant or tax issues. They are business issues. And I'm just going to tell you, tax accountants, your tax accountant most likely is not thinking of themselves as your contracted CFO. They're not thinking of that. They certainly want to help. They actually are qualified to help. They just don't have time to help because they've made a business decision to be client tax return preparers, and they do some consulting and everything, and none of this is to imply any criticism. We need tax accountants. Tax accountants are there. They serve a place. They're highly qualified, but their job is to make sure that your taxes are done accurately and properly. They don't have time to be your CFO, and many of the things that a company is encountering as they're growing have more to do with business issues and economics and accounting and process issues than it does having to do with taxes. So I just hear that all the time, and I just want to tell you there are people like me and people in my firm that help businesses with those things when you start to get outside of tax return preparation and tax return advice. There are so many more things. You might need help with improved financial reporting. Your bankers might be looking for better financial reporting. You might be looking at growth, adding locations, adding businesses, how to put your accounting together to give you accurate data and build out your accounting systems there. You might be looking at buying a building or buying a new business and growing that way. You might have other questions about staffing and all kinds of questions that go with growing a business. And we at Baker CFO Advisory, that's what we do. We help companies by adding that financial leadership, and we align our time we spend with you with your needs. So you don't have to hire somebody full time. You can hire us on a part-time basis at whatever level you need. Is it 1 day a week? Is it 1 day a month? 1 day a quarter? Every 6 months? Whatever your needs are, we're here to help. So check us out, bakercfoadvisory.com, info@bakercfoadvisory.com. Our phone numbers are on our website. Let us know if we can help. Always happy to have a conversation to see if we can help you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.